This video will show you how to use VDRIVE single peak feed routine to feed single peaks. The command to use is called VDRIVE SPF, or in short, VSPF. So we are going to show you the example based on the chopped run. So one file is very critical for conducting this kind of command, which is called peak file. So peak file specifies the bank data to feed, the name of the peak, number of peak to feed, and the positions from your first estimate, and also the fitting range. So I'll show you an example here. So using this open peak command and specify IPTS number. If it's under the chop runs, so specify the chop run number. So here is an example peak.txt file under this chopped data run number, as seen here. So I have 4 peaks to feed. So each line representing 1 feed. But for third and fourth line, I have 2 peaks to feed. But I alternate the 2 peak positions because I will repeat this twice. For each of time, the very first peak will be abstracted from the result. So that's why I alter these peak orders right here to tell the program which one I want the result from. So once you specify these files, you can do a feed VSPF IPTS number chop run. We do from first one to 10th run. Specify this calibration file, normalize to prolonged charge, and we update the peak feed. So which means that we're using the fit data to be the input for next fitting. The fitting conducted quite quickly, and then at the end of the fitting, it spit out this result and copy to a share folder under this SPF underscore data, and with this specified name. Here I also show a quick plot of the fitting in intensity, normalized to vanadium and prolonged charge, and full width half maximum, and the strain. So pay attention to the strain error bar, and because the scale is very small, the error bar looks large, but the real fit is pretty good, which can be tell by the single peak fit result in the PDF. So we output this plot for every peak fit, so you can double check if the peak fit is good or bad. All the results are saved in this ASCII file, along with this proton charge, proton charge, of course, this sample environment data. So you scroll to the right, you're going to see the fit result of the peaks in despacing, time of flight, the intensity, which is integral intensity, and there's another one without normalization to proton charge, and also the background, sigma and gamma, which is used to calculate the width of maximum, and the strain. And this will repeat until the last peak. So when you input many peaks, this file can be really wide. You can change the file fittings by adding the dollar characters to comment the fit out in next one, and save it and redo the fitting. So it will take the new setting and do the fitting again.